Good day everyone. In this video, I will be demonstrating my React.js and my SQL data entry. This project allows us to put input data through a form, save it to my SQL database, and display the records on the user interface in real time. So first, in my SQL, I created a database named React MySQL Demo. Inside it, I made a table called records with 5 fields: name, email, phone, address, and age. Every time we submit the form, a new record is stored inside this table. To start with the front end, I use the command npx create react app mykides. This automatically created the basic React project structure for me, including the files and folders needed to run a React application. By running this command, I had a ready-to-use React environment where I could begin coding my form and user interface. Thus, kung makita na naman ng happy hacking no input ra na nimong cd mykides. We suggest that you begin by typing kanang duha. So next, I built the front end using React.js. I designed a form with 5 input fields for name, email, phone, address, and age. When the form is submitted, it sends the data back to the backend using a post request. The saved data is then displayed immediately on the screen using a GET request. And also, to make the user interface more lively, I applied a gradient background, colorful buttons, and the card style records. I also added emojis inside the form fields to make it more engaging and fun, which is makita nato karon. And also sa backend nato, I created a backend server using Node.js and Express. I connected it to my SQL using the MySQL2 library. The server has two main functions: a get request that retrieves all records from the database, and a post request that allows us to insert a new word record. So i-delete sa din nato niya atong terminal no. Nya magbuhat tag terminal nato bag-o. Then split din nato nang sa terminal sa back end and sa front end kay para diretso ta dito sa web browser karong tatawd. So first ang atong i-type no kay cd src-backend then enter. So ang next na to input no is node space server.js. Then after nimo ma-input no is enter lang dayon. So next rin na punta sa front end no, ang i-input lang nato is npm start then enter. Then after this wait lang kang na i-deliver kaniya dito sa web browser nato. So nanay ko previous data nga na mga na-input na no, is mao ni sila sample nato. Then dito na po dayon tapad lang sa localhost, then dito ta sa php my admin. Then click din nato tong database na to React MySQL demo. Then after that, dito din ta sa records. So mo ning previous data nga akong na-input no. So mag-create na pud tag bag-o. So imong UI day no magdepende din sa imo unsa imong gusto nga design o code nga imong gamiton. Para sa ako ana ko specific code gigamit ana para nga na design sa ako ang UI. Then save record din makita nato natong input to. Then refresh din nato nitong php my admin para madungagang ug makita natong result. So mao to nakita na natong result no. So that's all. Thank you for watching.